need a break. I just need a mental reset for 2 minutes. So what we're gonna do? What is this? Who the fuck is this? Why is this on my recommended? Oh, bro, it's fucking best guy ever. Hell yeah, this is my favorite YouTuber. He's doing his One Piece podcast. We got a long way to go. It's a long way to the bottom if you wanna see cringe. All right, here we go. Monitoring our autoclave. Someone is streaming an autoclave cycle sterilizing. Bro, they literally, these fucking lab techs are so lazy. They set up a Twitch stream of their autoclave so they can go get coffee and then they can come back when the cycle's done. What? I'll just stream it to Twitch, then we'll know when it's done. Oh my God. Bro, it's over. Hey. Just letting you know, the cycle is done. You can come back from getting coffee now. Let's see the bottom. Is someone streaming their 3D? Oh, someone is 3D printing a 17th century rapier. Is that what I just saw? I lost it. It's gone now. It's lost in the sauce. AI Alice. I'm sorry, what? This isn't. Oh my God, did you see the eyes? Maybe it is AI. What is going on there with the eyeballs? Talk to it. What is the optimal ganking strategy? It's like ChatGPT 2 for Dark Souls 3. This is gonna
Lol
take
XD. I dunno XD.
What? Bro, AI's come a long way since ChatGPT 2. Are you ChatGPT for Wish.com? What gets on? What gets wetter the more it dries? It's so jarring.
That's what she said.
Fuck you, Alice. Please, Alice. I'm begging you. Just give me one single compliment. I'm hanging on by a thread here. I'm staring down a long, dark tunnel. I just need to hear it from you. Please.
You will find yourself at his feet eventually.
All right, you're right, Alice. We all gotta die sometime. Holy shit, this is fucking stupid. All right, I think we can go back to fighting bosses. Now I kind of want to listen to Dirt by Alice Cooper. God, I can't wait till we get to a state in the next year when they have ChatGPT 4 just like running suicide prevention hotlines. I can't fucking wait, dude.